The December Dungeon Crate is here, and I thought we could open this thing up together and see what's inside. I'm John, and you're watching Dragons and Flagons. So here we are, opening up the December Dungeon Crate. We've got the postage date on here of 12/13. So let's give this thing open. Let's see what's inside. Alright, for the holidays, let the Dungeon Crate get us. Loud paper noises. Alright, first little baggie. Looks like I've got some little walls of some sort. Nice. Scattered terrain is what the bag says here. More scattered terrain. Say what it is? No. It looks like I've got some sort of street light. Cool. Start building my cityscape out. Let's do these little bags before I get to that big one. I'm kind of excited to see what's in it. Well, it looks like I got some chests. Yeah, more chests I'm gonna have to paint. I'm incredibly excited. I love terrain. I love minis. I love painting these things. It's a lot of fun. Oh. Artmar's cartography. Dungeon crawl adventures in a deck. Enter the fiery pits. Each deck gives you access to downloadable adventure module PDF for both D&D 5e and Fate. New monsters, magic items, and NPCs, all from the world of Revello. I don't know Revello, but this is kind of cool. It's a deck of cards. Maybe we can open that up later. Alright, mystery dice set. Let's see what's in our mystery dice set. I'm excited. So bad at opening bags. Oh, wow, these are nice. Nice. Come on. There's one more in here. Look at that. Nothing in that bag. These are pretty blue marble dice with gold text. Let's give them a quick roll. Got an 18 on my D20 and a 12, 70. That's actually a pretty decent roll. Not too bad. More minis. This is a big box, guys. I'm gonna be opening for a while here. Let's see what's in this thing. Arr. I wasn't good at doing this as a kid. Now as an old man, I'm not good at it. I should have probably read it first. A medium fire elemental. It looks like I've got some stuff here. Cool. More stickers. Black Dragon. I like stickers. My bookmark to get my digital crate. Another little... Man, they loaded this one up. I'm excited. This is pretty cool. What did we get? It's a little cauldron. Make sure I'm on camera here, not out of frame. But a little cauldron, it's got some fire underneath it. That looks like it'd be a lot of fun to paint. Looks like I've got like a campsite setting up here. Alright, here's our paper. Every week they give us some sort of, or month, they give us some sort of paper. And nothing else in there, so just the box. Move that out of the way. And we have, first start with the cool art. So nice looking. It's a dungeon doodle. Matt is a professional, traditional, or digital artist currently living in Portland, Oregon. Working with Dungeon Crate for 5 years and loves every minute of it. You can find more Dungeon Doodle art online on various social media platforms at Dungeon Doodles. Check them out. It's pretty cool art. More art. But these should have something on the back here. Let's see what we got. The boots are hover steps. rare magical item of some sort. Free action, you trigger... Oh, there's the 5e stat block. That's the one I'm more familiar with. These heavy steel-toed boots are laced with copper wiring and stamped with arcane runes. Awesome. And what is this guy? Molten Devourer. It's a large elemental. Cool. And here is our adventure for level 6. Trial by fire. Let's see if there's a bear in here and some sort of maybe fire elementals. Maybe that's why I got the token. Nice big map we can fight through. More art. And there's our boots. And the stat block is also in here. There's the sketchbook. And then there's our monster stat block for the Devourer, 5e, and Pathfinder 2e. Pretty exciting. The joy of these books are you can consume them pretty quick if you're ever in a bind. Personally, I think this December Dungeon Crate was maybe one of the best that I've seen. Obviously, we get a bunch of paper. That's fine, whatever. Adventures, I can always use those. This set of dice here, let me see if I can get them up there. Really nice. I can always use more dice, and these are a pretty color that I don't think I have this color, so they'll fit in nicely with my my deck. And honestly, they rolled really well when they came out of the gate. Doesn't mean anything, but I'm a superstitious guy. As for all these minis, I got this little fire elemental. I think I'm gonna have to glue those wings on. They seem a little loose, but I don't have a fire elemental either, so nice. All of these terrain pieces. So I've got some little brick walls, as well as some little treasure chests, and the little pots with the campfire pot thing, and then the street light. All really cool. Of course, there's stickers. The highlight for me was this deck. It's pretty interesting. I did open it up, and it looks like there is an adventure that we can go through, but also it's a bunch of dungeons. Basically little dungeon areas. So let me try not to get the glare on it, but yeah. So I mean, I think they probably go with the adventure. So here's 1, here's 2, and your players can, I mean, in theory, you can just march through these things, and you could, I guess in theory, we could just make a dungeon and connect them all together, similar to like a 4 Against Darkness or something along those lines. This is something I'm definitely going to dig into, kind of learn more about as I go, and potentially incorporate it into my game. What are your thoughts? Did you think this was a worthwhile crate? Would you be excited to get something like this? It was an early Christmas gift for me. I'm really excited. It's going to give me a lot of things to paint and a lot of things to play with in the near future. Come the new year, I plan on getting right back into the games. Obviously, holidays, they do that to you. Yeah, let me know what your thoughts are. Did you like this? Did you not like it? If you like this type of content, also, please like, subscribe, do the normal YouTube things, and have a great game.